Hi guys, so today we are going to make these super cute matching Mommy and Me t-shirts.
Oh yeah, hey.
Welcome to the Taya Show.
Oh yeah.
Taya! Thank you for tuning in to Ty DIY. All right now, you will need 2 t-shirts, one for you and one for your baby. Any kind of fabric of your choice. I decided to do superheroes because we are a superhero family. You need a pair of scissors and some fabric glue. Now, let's dig in. For the first step, you need to cut out each of the designs that you would like to apply on you and your Mini-Me's t-shirts. Make sure that you be careful and take your time as you are cutting out each design. They do not have to be perfect, but try your best to cut out the design as clean as possible. Now, I'll be honest, they're not going to come out 100% perfect. There's been moments when I've actually accidentally went inside of the line, and that's totally fine. The fabric is actually going to pop up anyway, which give a very cool effect. And I love that patchy look because it's even more edgier. It gives a little more of an edge to the style. Just have fun with it. For the second step, we're going to get our fabric glue and we're going to start applying it to the back of our designs and then apply those onto our t-shirts. Now, as you can see, I did put a good amount of glue on the back of the designs because I wanted to make sure that it would stay on there, but the product is called Okay to Wash It. Okay, so right here I am actually trying to figure out how I want to lay out the designs because I do not want 2 of the same superheroes next to each other. So I'm just kind of throwing them on the shirt randomly while also making sure that 2 Batmans are not beside each other. As you can see, I've already decided to start on Little Man's t-shirts because his is much smaller than mine's, and I knew that it would be much faster to go ahead and start on his. But I'm actually going back and forth. Also, when you are cutting out pieces, on the fabric, you're actually going to see pieces that are halfway cut off. Those are actually good to also cut out so that you can actually apply those beside the seams on the side of the t-shirt because it gives it more of a, just an illusion that it's kind of going around the shirt still. If you don't want to do the back, you can still just apply it beside the seam on the edge of the shirt so that it won't be just like in the middle of the shirt. It'll be also on the side. So don't be afraid to cut those out and apply those on the edge of the shirt as well. It makes it look like it's an actual fabric instead of just being like glued onto a shirt. It looks like it's actually cut that way. Here is the finished work. I enjoyed this because I know me and my son is going to look absolutely adorable. Well, thank you guys for watching the Taya Show. Thank you so much for watching Taya's TV. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, don't forget to follow us on our Instagrams at Taya Brown and at Titan King Smith. Taya!